Top 10 reasons why Cardano could be a fantastic investment in 2021. Cardano is a blockchain platform that can facilitate transactions using its internal proprietary cryptocurrency known as ADA. Since its creation in 2017, it has outperformed pre-existing blockchain platforms, solidifying its place at the table of authentic cryptocurrencies. In this video, we tell you 10 good reasons why Cardano could be a fantastic investment for you. Despite Cardano's young age, the tech behind it is solid, making it an attractive asset for intelligent investors. Before we dive into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Our content is always interesting and engaging, and you wouldn't want to miss a single video. Number 10. It is a blockchain platform. One of the key reasons Cardano is worth investing in is that it isn't just a cryptocurrency. Rather, first and foremost, it is a blockchain platform. As a blockchain platform, it allows the developments and implementation of blockchain-based applications. And so, rather than limiting itself to just storing value through a cryptocurrency, it can allow for much more functionality. Since blockchain itself is a new technology, there aren't many apps in existence. However, given the potential of the technology, it's only a matter of time until this is the case. Number 9. It has its own unique cryptocurrency. As a blockchain platform, Cardano has its own proprietary cryptocurrency known as ADA. The cryptocurrency was named after Ada Lovelace, who is commonly regarded as the world's first programmer. The close relationship between the blockchain platform and the cryptocurrency allows trading and other transactions to be performed efficiently and easily. With no third party required, safety is also assured. In addition, all ADA holders have a stake in the Cardano network. Number 8. It is led by a dedicated team. Though Cardano has become fully decentralized, it is still shepherded by a dedicated team of developers. These software geniuses also manage the Cardano network and ensure that it keeps growing as the cryptocurrency keeps scaling. They are also responsible for developing new blockchain apps that the Cardano platform can leverage for its growth. In addition, these teams perform research in order to have the most information before taking critical infrastructural decisions. Number 7. It has grown by much in such a short time. Despite being launched only 4 years ago in 2017, Cardano has had such an astronomical growth rate. Of course, it helps that its founder was a former co-founder of Ethereum and left to build it as an Ethereum killer. In such a short time, Cardano has the 5th largest market cap among all available cryptocurrencies. It has outperformed other older coins such as Litecoin. This strong growth rate is of particular interest to investors. It suggests that Cardano could survive in the long term and isn't just a fad. Number 6. It can handle high demand. As the Cardano network gains popularity, there's no doubt that it will be seeing an upsurge of users and transactions. When this happens, most other networks begin to experience crashes and downtime, which affects the performance of businesses. However, the team at Cardano has foreseen such an outcome and has made sure that the network can survive a massive upsurge in scale. And so, this pleases investors, knowing that the platform is ready for rapid and significant growth. Number 5. It has ultra-high-speed transactions. When Cardano was designed, the framework behind it was purposely intended to be an improvement over pre-existing cryptocurrencies. For example, Bitcoin can process 3 to 7 transactions a second. For Ethereum, the figure is a bit higher, coming out at 10 transactions per second. Cardano blows both of these out of the water with a whopping 1,000 transactions per second. If that isn't a demonstration of its superior infrastructure, then stay tuned for more awesome advantages of Cardano. Number 4. It is environmentally friendly. Because of the unique blockchain function Cardano uses to perform its transactions, its energy expenditure is very forgiving. As a consequence, it is one of the more environmentally sustainable coins on the market today. This sustainability is a key advantage of Cardano since other coins are being heavily scrutinized for their environmental toll. Cardano is one of the greener cryptocurrencies, though, and it is likely to survive any new policies that target digital assets and are intended to protect the environment. Number 3. It is listed on multiple serious exchanges. One great advantage of Cardano is that it is listed in multiple serious crypto exchanges. Such should be expected of the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, and Bytebit all list Cardano on their platforms for trading. And so, it is really easy for anyone to buy and sell before grand changes in the market occur. And this also shows that these exchanges have confidence that trading Cardano is good business. Number 2. High supply limit. A lot of people are wary about coins with supply limits because it suggests that the coins can be hoarded, driving the value up to unreasonable heights. Although Cardano's ADA doesn't have a supply limit, the limit is so large that this needn't be a concern. The supply limit of ADA is 45 billion, and this figure is far above the 21 million supply limit of Bitcoin. And so, ADA provides the best of both worlds. It is large enough in supply for anyone to trade without worrying about hoarding. At the same time, it is limited enough for the price to be well balanced with increased demand. Number 1. Affordable. Owing in part to its young age, Cardano and ADA are still relatively affordable. At the moment, Cardano trades at $1.50. This affordability means it is quite easy and accessible for anyone to get in without having to cough up significant amounts of money. In addition, the risk of investing is low and potential returns are high. And so, for anyone looking to get into Cardano, the time is now. In spite of all the advantages of Cardano, investors will do well to remember that it is not a sure thing. No investment is riskless, no matter how attractive it looks. Don't let this discourage you, though, as worthwhile investments rarely look glamorous on the surface. Instead, invest wisely, and don't commit anything you aren't prepared to lose. As we come to the end of this video, we hope you have learned some fantastic reasons as to why Cardano could be a great investment. With so many different cryptocurrencies to choose from, each of them has unique advantages and disadvantages. In any case, Cardano has a lot going on for it. Who knows, it might just be what you need to attain success in the crypto markets. Do you invest in Cardano? Please let us know how the experience has been for you so far. As we sign off, we'd like to remind you to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share if you liked the video. Our videos are always exciting and engaging, and you wouldn't want to miss out on the next one. Till then, take care of yourself.